What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Galaxy S25 Ultra that keeps dropping calls. So to fix this issue, first of all reinsert your SIM. So take out the SIM from your phone and clean the SIM gently, and after cleaning the SIM card, insert it back in your phone, and this will help you to fix the call dropping issue. But if it doesn't fix your issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and here click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now again click on this restart icon to restart your phone, and restarting your phone can fix small software glitches in your phone. But after restarting, if you are still facing the issue, then the next solution is reset network settings. So to do this, open settings, scroll down and here click on general management, and then scroll down and click on reset. Now here scroll down and click on reset mobile network settings, and then click on reset settings. So when you will click on reset settings option here, it will reset all your mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after doing this, it will reset all your SIM card settings too, so your call dropping issue will be fixed. But after this, if you're still facing the issue, then the last solution is update your mobile software. So to do this, open settings, scroll down to the end and click on software update, and then click on download and install. Now in here, if you have any pending update, then update your mobile software to latest version, and after updating your mobile software to the latest version, it will help you to fix dropping calls issue. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.